vet will fix you up in a jiffy.
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Wow, this little pup's full of big sneezes, isn't she?
Oh, fine last night. But this morning she started sneezing all over my breakfast pizza.
Achoo!
I've been eating breakfast pizza since my preschool days.
Achoo! 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 Don't be afraid of me because I'm sneezy. I'm not contagious.
Alrighty, little sneezer. Let's see what the problem is. Good as new. Next time you eat breakfast pizza, though, you might want to leave out the red pepper flakes.